Hey guys, Mike Fix-A-Cardy here. I'm going to show you how to swap out your wheel studs. This car in particular is a 2018 Subaru STI, and these studs are known to strip and break in half when they're over torqued. If you can see, this one here is all chewed up because it stripped. So we're going to change that one, and we're going to change all of them while we're here. First and foremost, make sure your car is lifted safely and properly, held up by jack stands. And this car being a Subaru, the example I'm going to show you is on the rear brake. It's a drum brake for the emergency brake. So make sure your emergency brake is off if you're doing the rear brakes on a car that uses its emergency brake as a drum brake. So this way we could get this rotor off. So first step, we're going to have to take off our caliper and then our rotor. So let me get that off first. So on this car, it's going to be a 17mm bolt here. You're going to crack this one loose for your brake caliper. There's one on top, one on bottom. Once that's out, you'll be able to pull your caliper off, and we will take it and find a place to keep it out of our way. We hung our caliper, now we're ready to take these rotors off. The best way to get these rotors off is going to be, I believe, with an M8 by 1.25 bolt. There's these two holes here. You'll thread this bolt in place. So you'll alternate between these two bolts, and they'll apply pressure, pushing your rotor out. There we go. Now it's free. You can remove your bolts. And now you should be able to remove your rotor. There we go. Now what you're simply going to do is take a hammer and smack them out. Just like that. So there's one out. As you can see, that one is totally destroyed. So let's put in a new one. So we got a new one here. We'll put it in through the back, same way you pulled it out. So we got it through. So there's one of two ways that you can now get this stud to seat. You can either use a whole stack of washers here, or you can, I'll link this in the description. This is a tool from Lisle. It's especially made so this way you put it over the stud, and then you'll take a lug nut, you'll thread it on, make sure it's on there straight. Then you'll get your impact. Make sure you use an impact rated socket, and you'll drive it on. And that's it. Make sure you go until it's completely flush. Then you'll back off your lug nut. And that's it. There's one installed. I'll do the rest. We'll go ahead and reinstall our rotor. And then our caliper could go on next. Reinstall your rim. Do everything by hand because this is what got us in trouble in the first place. A shop doing things with an impact and really causing some damage to these threads. All right, and now we'll torque down the wheels to 90 foot-pounds. Remember, use a torque wrench. Well, I hope this helped you guys. If you like to see car rebuilds, consider giving me a follow. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.